On the morning of Tuesday, April 8, 2025, Cape Town woke up to a city transformed by nature's fury. Overnight, a massive storm swept in, bringing relentless rain, strong winds, and widespread flooding. Within just a few hours, roads all over the city were submerged. Commuters were stuck in traffic or forced to find alternate routes through already jammed neighborhoods. Officials confirmed that this is one of the most severe weather events Cape Town has seen in years. Flood warnings have now been extended through Wednesday, April 9th, as the storm system still hovers over the Western Cape.
Repreendido.
Throughout the city, traffic services have been flooded with emergencies. On the M3, a truck overturned near Upper Travado Link, causing injuries and blocking a major lane. Further down the M3 near Hospital Bend, another truck broke down during peak traffic, making things even worse for the morning commute. Meanwhile, the N2 outbound between Mowbray Main Road and Leesbeek Parkway is waterlogged, with at least one lane fully flooded. Similar scenes were reported on the Stellenbosch Arterial at Robert Sobukwe Road, where standing water has made travel dangerous. In Tokai, the Leesbeek River burst its banks, flooding intersections and surrounding neighborhoods. Industrial areas, including the Johnson & Johnson site, are underwater. Several communities, like Khayelitsha, Delft, Guguletu, and Sir Lowry's Pass Village, have seen widespread flooding. Homes are damaged, and many families have been displaced. Over 70 neighborhoods have now reported flood-related damage. Emergency teams are working non-stop to clear roads and bring help to those in need. Authorities are urging people to stay indoors unless absolutely necessary. Motorists should keep headlights on, drive slowly, and check traffic updates before heading out. Blocked roads and overflowing canals have been reported in places like Southfield and Vigiskral, and the city is now preparing for even more rain as winter approaches. The South African Weather Service has issued thunderstorm warnings for April 9th, covering 6 provinces, including the Western Cape. And finally, let's talk about the massive storm that has recently hit parts of China. If you want us to make a full video about that too, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our next updates.